This situation is driving me crazy. I'm Tony, 27M. So, last weekend, I went to a costume party. The invite said, "Come as your favorite superhero." I decided to go all out as Spider-Man, full suit, mask, everything. I even practiced a little web shooting pose in the mirror before leaving. I took the bus there because I didn't want to ruin the surprise for my friends by showing up early in my car. On the way, people were smiling, taking pictures, and a kid even asked me to stop the bad guys. I was feeling pretty cool. When I got to the house, I jumped onto the porch railing, shouted, "Your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man is here," and struck my best pose, only to realize everyone was in fancy suits and dresses. Turns out, my friend sent me the wrong invitation. The real theme was black tie formal. I spent the entire evening holding a glass of champagne in a Spider-Man suit while people introduced me as Peter Parker's broke cousin. Please like, follow, and subscribe if you want videos like this.